maybe 245 or whatever. Now, that may not be the standard for modeling or what have you, but I do agree. The hard part about this is saying, what are you trying to model as? I'm not worried about your size because I think there's all types. And, just so you guys know, we will have a special on what we call the BBW crew. That'll be coming up real soon.
The biggins.
The biggins are going to come in because there's all types. But I'll say this, closest shot. Not sure what you're trying to advertise, but I know the ladies are going to like it because they'll see stuff that we don't. The more masculine he looks, the more the women like this. Well, they may want to see more, but they like masculinity. They don't want to see anything that looks like...
Well, he is definitely... Now, Vic, you know what? If they had wanted to showcase his size, they would have to put something in there with him.
That's right.
As a reference. But they could have showed... If that's a thing to showcase, they could have showcased that more effectively.
You hit the nail on the head, Mario. It's the part. The thing is you have to capture what it is that you're trying to send the message in. Not quite there, but this kind of reminds me of photos that we all sit there and just stoop down and say, hey, take the shot. Very simple. So a little bit more definition in the photography shot in the future, maybe. I'll give him an 8.5. So, hey, there we go. We're going to back it up, you guys, because we are now going to see who makes the cheese when it's time to make the cheese. Alfonso James, we just took look at. Don't stoop so low. Bring it up, stand it up. And then you got to get Sterling now. Sterling, I think, is the one that gets you the print shot, man. And then you roll in with Derek. Now, Derek looked like he's,
honorable mention to Derek, for the big. You know what it is? You got two big men. He showcases his size.
Right.
He does it in this picture.
Right.
But you're right, Vic. My number one is Sterling.
As far as making cheese.
Yeah. I just think it just works. Pleasant represent.
Right.
And all you LA folks that's close, come on the show and defend yourselves.
Why they got to defend themselves?
Just make your point. We friendly. Come on, we friendly.
What is?
Ask everybody. We treat all our guests with love.
Yeah.
So come on the show.
Well, I'm going to actually go and say Derek, but I believe it or not, I think Derek looks like that kind of cat that could be in one of those soap operas where, he may be playing a role as where one of the women are cheating on somebody and he's the one. So he looks like he'll be the one that I think the ladies would choose, but I think they will hold it against him because he's wearing the glasses. And when you want to go commercial, you need to go straight. So I got to go with number 2.
Need to see the eyes.
Yeah, the women want to see the eyes. So number 2, Sterling is the one we picked.
All right. How about the ladies?
Oh, this is going to be interesting. We know that you have a thing about the makeup, Kendall.
And the vibe.
And the vibe.
And the vibe on the look. Whereas this one...
Miss Cube. And Bria Miles.
I'm going with Paola.
You go as your most commercial, huh?
Well, just because I'm never sure what that means. I just picked the one I want. I want Paola, number one, with honorable mention to Bria. Now, Bria, come on the show and show your fine self. Come sit up here with that baby got back. But Paola, too, got some back. Look at those legs.
Yeah.
We're just exotic.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what the hard part is, Mario, for me? It's looking at, I'm between 1 and 2. Bria works because she fits that personal thing. But Geek Me, the idea that she's actually doing that, I can see her not being a geek. And you would never know it. So I'll say number 2, it gets the most commercial, but my number 1 is personal. It's all personal, man. So you know what it is. It's that time to get out of Dodge, man. I'm done. I'm ready to go get me something to eat. No, I don't want grits this time.
So what is it? So what is your number? What is it?
Oh, I gave my number 2.
Okay.
Yeah, number 2. Bria's nice, but
You like it, Bria. Come on down and say something. All right, everybody, that's Hot Pick.
Done.
Man.
So better now.
What a day. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood.